The fragrance of this is to die for, and as you can see, I have used it and how. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karuna, and I know I was not uploading videos for the last 2 to 3 weeks because I was not actually feeling it. I was getting really overwhelmed with everything going in and around with me. So, and yeah, I know not a lot of us talk about such things openly and directly, but I feel there's nothing to hide, and what's the point of hiding and not sharing such feelings with one another. So here I am. I just thought of sitting down today and chatting with you. So मैं कुछ अपना बताऊंगी, आप कुछ अपना बताना. Yes, with that, let's get into today's video, in which I will be showing you what all products I used up completely in this quarantine lockdown period, and I will be reviewing each and every product. So in case you want to invest in that product, you will have a clear idea of which कि आपको invest करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. So let's get going. And also, if you're wondering how I got this look, then I will leave my Instagram handle down in the description box below. You can check out there. I will post a IGTV video of this look. I know it turned out super beautiful and fresh. So yeah. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. I actually have a lot of stuff which I have in this huge basket. Now shall we? I emptied a lot of skincare and hair care products and one makeup item, I would say, and I will share with you one by one, but in no particular order. So yeah. So first off, we have this Face Shop Damyang bamboo gel. This is 99% pure bamboo gel, and rightly so. It is 99% bamboo gel and 1% fragrance. Absolutely correct. As you can see, I completely emptied it, but it still has its fragrance lingering around. So it's a good soothing gel, as the name suggests, and it's a huge tub, guys. Really, it's worth the investment, but it has a lot of fragrance in it, and if fragrance is what irritates your skin, then I would suggest don't go for it. But it's a very light consistency, lightweight. It's a good soothing gel. If you're suffering from a lot of acne and irritated skin, then this is a gold mine for you, I would say. But again, if you're sensitive to fragrance, or if you don't like fragrance in your skincare products, then I would say don't go for it. You can use this as an alternative to aloe vera gel, because not a lot of us are okay with the aloe vera gel. I myself am not, because I don't like aloe vera gel as much as I like some other gels like bamboo gel, lotus gel. So I don't prefer aloe vera gel for my skin, especially. It does not do anything for my skin, but it does counts. It's a good soothing gel. If you are in a budget and you are looking for it, then go for it. But don't forget the fragrance. Then next up, I completely finished using this Nature's Tattva almond oil. I used to use this as a cleansing oil, so I always double cleanse. So this was my first step when I was using this. It's a good almond oil. If you are starting out with a double cleanse, if you are figuring out how to include double cleansing in your routine, then I would say go for it. It's a good oil, and you could also use it under your eyes. Good for dark circles as well. And I sometimes also use it as a hair oil, pure sweet almond oil, and it's cold pressed, so it's good for your scalp and overall health of your skin. So yes, and it's non-comedogenic, guys. It's good. Next up, we have Shisha Beauty Asthapati Devathali shampoo. I completely finished using this one, and I don't remember how many tubes of this I have used up completely. I swear by this shampoo. I swear by this thing. I literally swear by this. This is what revived my dying hair, and it did what it said. It said it effectively tackles problems like premature graying, which I don't have, and split ends, which also I don't have, And dandruff, I have a lot of dandruff, but this kept my dandruff at bay. And dryness, my hair gets damaged really fast, so yes, this helped my hair in its worst case scenario, and I swear by this product. It's for only 100 rupees. And if you are trying to include natural and organic skincare products in your routine, then I would suggest look out for this brand. Look out for Shesha Beauty. They have some amazing groundbreaking products. This is a great shampoo. And also guys, I did one more empties video in past, which I will leave the link to it here or here. I completely finished using this Nivea Creme Shower Cream. It's a good body wash guys, but it's very dry. It's very dry. It's very drying for my skin. So I have one more tube of this in my washroom, so I am currently using that. But I will be switching to some other body washes in future, so yeah, just letting you know. This is a good one. This is also in a budget, but it's a drying body wash and you don't want to dry your skin in this summer, so stay away from this one. Next up, I completely finished up using the love of my life, Body Shop Shea Butter body lotion, and I completely love this. The fragrance of this one is to die for. I literally love Body Shop products for their fragrance. It's not overpowering, it's not chemically, it's not paint type, but yeah, the fragrance of this is to die for. And as you can see, I have used it, and how, like, I've completely emptied it. I drank all of this, not literally, huh? Next up, I completely finished up using this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Creme. Not a big fan of it. I don't like Garnier products as much as I want to like, but no, it says wrinkle lift, but I know for a fact that you can't lift up your wrinkles, or you can't lift up your face through a cream. Or I bought these products because it says it has retinol in it, but clearly I doubt how much of retinol it has, but it did not do anything for me. I used to wear it under makeup and sometimes to touch up, like, but not a big fan of it. The next product which I emptied out is a hair care product, and it took me a while to empty this. I can't tell you, like, this is it. This is Strix hair serum. So this is a good hair serum, but this is not for my hair type. Like, my scalp is really oily, but my hair are really dry. So but when I apply this to my hair tends to get oily like in 2 days, and then again I have to shampoo my hair, which I don't prefer shampooing my hair so often. So no, not a big fan of this. I know for a fact a lot of you love this, so but it did not work for me or for my hair, no. So the next product which I completely emptied out, and I regret saying this, and I feel so sad saying this, that I emptied it out, but yeah, I did empty it out because I use this religiously every day, every morning, and it literally helped my skin. This is a miracle, guys. This is Nimle Naturals Hyaluronic and Vitamin C Serum. This is a gem, and this comes in this really beautiful cardboard packaging. Here it is. This is a luxury product, 20 to 50 for 30 ml. Can you believe that? And I literally used to apply this every morning religiously, and did help my skin. I won't lie, it did wonders. It did wonders to my skin, and I really swear by this product. And obviously I will purchase this in future So yeah, I really love this product. This is a good vitamin C product, and I know vitamin C tends to get really costly. And also, if you are figuring out your skin type, and if you are trying to get that plump skin, plump face, then go for this one. This is a really nice product, guys. I can't recommend this enough. And this company, Nivli Naturals, I know it's not very budget friendly, or it's not very affordable, but this brand work. It does what it says. It's handmade, it's cruelty free, it's vegan. What else you want? What else you want from a skincare brand? I really love skincare brands and skincare products which are cruelty free and which are vegan. I really fall for that line of skincare. And the next product which I have is this Suganda's niacinamide serum. It's 10% niacinamide. If you have open pores, if you have large pores, if you have oily skin, if you lack that plumpness, if you lack that glow in your face, go for it. I really love this product. I swear by this product. Actually, it did wonders, and you don't require a lot of it. You just need 2 to 3 drops max to max, and you're good to go. This is a really nice niacinamide serum if you're looking for one. And niacinamide, let me tell you, is the way to go. Each and every skin can use it. Each and every human can use it. It is not sensitive. It will protect your skin. It will repair your skin. And it has centella, it has green tea, it has vitamin B5 and also hyaluronic acid. What else you can ask for? This is a wonderful serum, guys. If you are looking out for niacinamide, this is a wonderful serum, and I will leave the link of all the products in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out. You can click on that link and you can buy the products if at all you want to invest. So yeah, niacinamide it is. So next up, I have a bunch of Plum products. Please don't kill me for this, but I can't tell you how much I adore this brand. This is very personal to me. This brand is really very personal to me because when I was personally suffering from a lot of acne marks, this came to my rescue. Then I was not aware of Nimli, then I was not aware of Sugandha. These are the brands which I discovered in last 1 year or so, but the Plum which I discovered 2 to 3 years back, and I still swear by this, and I still swear by their products, and because they have literally worked for me. They are a bit high on fragrance, but the fragrance which is there is not it's not too much for my skin at this point of time, and Plum does wonders. My personal favorite line of Plum is their green tea range. So the product which I am talking about from Plum is, I've used their mattifying moisturizer. If you are an oily skin type, you will love this moisturizer. And this is for combination oily and acne prone skin. So if you are if you have sensitive skin, then also you can go for it. This is a wonderful moisturizer, and if you are oily skin, then you are gonna love it. Dry skin, this is not for you. You will not enjoy the creaminess of this moisturizer. Oh my god, this video is getting too long, but I can't help it, guys. I literally used up a lot of products in this last 5 to 6 months. So yeah, the next product which I used up completely is Green Tea Night Gel. This was their best seller. This is their best seller. This night gel is actually a magic in a tub. I have used this up and down. If you are suffering from a lot of acne scars and dull and dehydrated skin, this is for you. Then I completely finished using up this one. This is from Healthwit Biotin 5000. I didn't use it to consume it internally, but I use this externally. Like I used to mix this in my hair mask, in my shampoo and in my conditioners, and I don't know, I can't claim what it does, but I didn't have this internally, so I can't claim anything about it. But yeah, I finished this. So yes, that is that. And then the next product which I completely finished up using is this glycerin. This was a glycerin bottle which I bought from over the counter from one chemist shop. Now the next product which I completely finished up using is a makeup product. Yeah, I finished up using this one, Maybelline's Super Fresh Compact Powder, and as you can see, I have completely finished up using this, I know. And the next product which I completely finished up using is Gigi Hadid Maybelline eyeliner. I liked this one. Lastly, I finished using a lot of acrylic paints for my room because I decorated my room. As you can see, all these are acrylic paints. So yeah, I completely finished up using a lot of them. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also share this video with your friends and family and let them discover some new products and let them discover me. And on that note, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon if you have not already. And if the button is already grey, then leave it aside, don't touch it. Yeah, with that,